Hello everyone. Truck, a vehicle that is often seen as strong and reliable in transporting goods. However, sometimes these trucks also face failures, troubles, and difficulties in life. This video will take you closer to the emotional stories of failed trucks and their journey to regain their strength. Let's get it on. The truck is trying to overcome the challenges of muddy roads. Perhaps it wants to become the king of off-road vehicles, doesn't it?
Oh, besteira!
Do you know what engine this car is pulling? Surely it's not an ordinary engine, right? Fortunately, a crane has saved the truck from reversing into the ravine. Luckily, no one was injured. This driver is trying to keep the accelerator steady to get the truck up the hill. It seems like he's trying to challenge the feeling of a racing heartbeat. Every effort will be rewarded. In this situation, the truck has successfully reached the peak. Indeed, if you keep trying, you will succeed. The driver's downhill driving experience is too poor, causing the truck to overturn shortly after going down. Indeed, not everyone can drive on the mountain road.
Молодец, а ну еще раз, мать!
Fortunately, in this situation, the driver has escaped. Surely he will remember this thrilling moment for a lifetime. The place to store items on this car must require the sophistication of the people in the clip. Maybe they used instinctive intelligence to solve this problem. I don't understand what these guys are doing with these crane trucks in this situation. Maybe they are combining forces to solve the problem. Luckily, the fire was discovered in time. Otherwise, the wood on this truck would have been burned to ashes.
Se quiser para derrubar a casa, quer fazer ela fora, pode derrubar. O lavador, né? Aí, todo o carro. Ó. Olhar em todo o carro.
This truck is a warhorse as it can pull both wooden trucks behind it without any obstacles. It's a pity for this truck that it seems unable to resist the attraction of the rushing water. Perhaps the driver of the truck in front is very skilled as he managed to pull the truck behind him out of the abyss.
Tala, gewonnen! Ó a cagada aí, ó a cagada, ó a cagada. Meu Deus do céu, cara.
Is this driver trying to join the F1 race? Look at how he's accelerating uphill. It's impressive. With the help of the excavator, this car can finally be rescued from the accident. It's amazing that the rescue team has succeeded in pulling the overturned container truck back to its original position in the middle of the road. Perhaps this was too big of a challenge for the rescue team, as they were unable to rescue any of the vehicles involved in this accident. Failure is not a terrible thing. It is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Like the truck in the video, sometimes we need to endure painful experiences to eventually rise up. And in the end, we will succeed if we don't give up and continue to strive. Please like and share this video so that we can make more meaningful videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.